seen the moon going through these changes within a few hours of the night. What is this phenomenon and how does it happen? The phenomenon you have just seen is called the eclipse of the moon. The eclipse of the moon is also known as a lunar eclipse. How does the eclipse occur? The eclipse of the moon occurs when the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon and the three of them lie in a straight line. The diagram shows the positions of the Moon, Earth and Sun during the eclipse of the moon. Sunlight cannot pass through the Earth because it is an opaque object. As sunlight travels in straight lines, it cannot bend around the Earth. Therefore, the Earth blocks the sunlight from reaching the Moon. The Earth's shadow will cover the Moon's surface and cause the eclipse of the Moon. The dark part is the area where sunlight is blocked. The lighter part is the area where sunlight is partially blocked. When the whole moon is in the dark part, we will see a total eclipse of the moon. A total eclipse of the moon can last from a few seconds to a few minutes. When the whole moon, or only a part of the moon is in the lighter part, a partial eclipse of the moon occurs. This partial eclipse of the moon lasts from a few minutes to a few hours. What are the different phases of the moon during an eclipse of the moon? Why does such an eclipse occur? The eclipse of the moon can be observed with the naked eye at night. An eclipse of the moon only occurs at the full moon phase. The diagram shows the phases of the moon during an eclipse of the moon. When the Earth blocks sunlight, it produces a shadow with two regions, the umbra and the penumbra. P shows the beginning of the eclipse when the moon moves into the Earth's shadow. Q shows a partial eclipse where a portion of the moon passes through the umbra of the Earth's shadow. R shows a total eclipse where the entire moon passes through the umbra of the Earth's shadow. S shows the partial eclipse when a portion of the moon passes from the umbra of the Earth's shadow to the penumbra of the Earth's shadow. T shows the last phase of the eclipse when almost the entire moon has moved out from the Earth's shadow. Eclipses occur because of the following properties of light. Light travels in straight lines. Light cannot pass through an opaque object. An eclipse of the moon occurs when the Earth is directly between the moon and the sun. An eclipse of the moon occurs when the sun, the Earth, and the moon are in a straight line. During the total eclipse of the moon, you will see the source of this light, a glowing red ring around Earth. The red ring is due to sunlight being refracted through the Earth's atmosphere. Essentially, it is the combined glow of all the world's sunrises and sunsets. It is the reason why the moon is not black but reddish during a total eclipse of the moon.